Foodie Phonics friends, and welcome to another Foodie Phonics recipe day. Today we're going to make Smiley smoothies. I hear Macy meowing in the background. That's my pet kitten. Let's have a look at the letters that make a sm sound for smiley, smoothie. Can you see? Letter S and letter M. Smiley, smoothie. We can smile, smile. Something else that we can do that our noses are good at is smell. Smell. Can you think of anything else that starts with a sm sound? I wonder. Think about it while you're listening to the recipe and let me know in the comments, okay? Right, let's have a look at the way that we write letter S and M. For those of you who are learning to write, I'll just put the letters down over here. There they are. Can you still see them there? Very good. Letter S and letter M. Over here on the alphabet board, there's letter S. You can see the big letter S for names and the small letter S for other words. And there you can see letter M, big letter M for names and small letter M for other words. But we're going to learn about the sound of them together today. So over on the other side of my board, I have a dotted line for you. And I have the recipe of the Smiley smoothie that we're going to make. But first, let's have a look at how we write letters S and M together. You ready? I have to turn the board around because I can't write with my left hand. I use my right hand to write. So I'm just going to do this. Can you still see the board? Yes, you can. Oh, way back here. All right, I'll bring it closer to you when I'm finished. So we're going to make sure that the bottom of our letter S rests on the dotted line. Okay? We curl at the top. We go in and we curl at the bottom again. Oh, that's very wobbly, isn't it? I'm kind of writing back to front. Okay, and now letter M is going to start at the same place that letter S started, a straight line down, up, curve, down, up, curve, and down. There we go. Letter S and letter M next to each other. Both rest on the dotted line when you write them. Kind of like that. Smiley smoothie. Smell. Anything else that you've thought of just yet? Okay, while you think about it, I'll start with our smoothie and you can let me know in the comments when we're finished, okay? Very good. So I'll leave the recipe up here. It's a bit far away to read, isn't it? But I'll bring it closer when you want to read the recipe. For our Smiley smoothie, we're going to start with a whole mango. Now, remember how we've learned that we can cut something in half and make two equal halves? So my whole mango kind of started out like that, and I cut it down the middle to make two equal halves. Now, boys and girls, you'll need mommy and daddy to help you cut your mango because you need a sharp knife. But after an adult has cut the mango in half for you, you can use your blunt children's knife to make little stripes in the middle. You're going to need a bowl. Can you see down here? Maybe I'll put it over here. There we are. Little stripes. You put your mango down in your bowl and you make a line there. See how easily the knife goes into the soft mango? And then you turn it and you make lines the other way. And then you end up with little cubes. Now, of course, you can eat your mango like that if you want to, but we're going to scoop those little cubes into our blender. So here's my spoon. There it is. I'm just going to scoop the squares out into the blender. There they go. There they are. Now remember, this is only one half of the mango. You need the other half as well to make a whole mango in your Smiley smoothie. Do you know why I've called it a Smiley smoothie? Well, all the vitamins in the mango and the other ingredients are vitamins that make you feel happy. And when you're happy, you're full of smiles. That's why it's called a Smiley smoothie. Because all of the ingredients are ingredients. Oh, sorry, I'm struggling with that last cube. There it is. Come on, into the smoothie. Next is our banana smile. Okay, it was a big banana smile, wasn't it? All right, so we're going to peel the skin off. And then you, again, boys and girls, can do this yourselves. You can use a blunt knife to, or actually, you know what? You don't even need to use a knife. Your banana is so soft, you can break off little bite-sized pieces and put them in to your mango. I forgot to wash my hands. Washa, washa, washa. There we are. Good job. What else does our recipe say? So far we've learned knife skills, how to use a knife safely. We've learned about the healthy ingredients of our food, and now we're also going to learn how to read a recipe. So there I have 1 mango, 1 banana, and 1 cup of pineapple. Now this is another part Mummy and Daddy might have to help you with, boys and girls. If you've got a whole big prickly pineapple, an adult will have to cut the skin off for you and then chop it up into small pieces. I'm using canned pineapple chunks, and my lid has got a little ring pull that I'm going to open. You'll need an adult to help you with this too if you've got a ring pull can. So let me show you. You can't go. Macy's talking so much today, boys and girls. Okay, so that's a very sharp lid. We're going to try and pull it off if we can, otherwise we'll just bend it down there. Okay, here's our smoothie back. And I don't want to use all the juice in my smoothie. See, there's a lot of juice in the pineapple can. You see all the juice there? I want to use milk instead, but I guess if you want to use the juice, you can. So 1 cup. There's my cup. Can you see over here? No. Can you see over there? Yes, you can. I'll move the smoothie jug. 1 cup of pineapple chunks. I wonder how many spoonfuls that's going to take. I'll show you. That's 1 spoonful, 2 spoonfuls, 3, 4. Are you counting with me? 5, 6, and I think that'll do it. 7. Maybe 1 more cube. Sort of 8 spoonfuls, maybe 7 will be enough. But there's your cup of pineapple chunks into the smoothie bowl. There we go. This is not only a Smiley smoothie, it's a smoothie packed full of vitamins to help you get big and strong, and it even helps your eyes to see beautifully. So I'm going to add milk, like I said. You can add water or the juice of the pineapple. And I'm going to, whoopsie daisy, have 1 cup of milk in my smoothie. I like to use almond milk, but you can use any milk that you're allowed to drink. There we go. There's my cup of milk. Whoops. Oh, can you see the milk in the top there? Very good. In the milk goes. Okay, doesn't that look good? Fruity and creamy. Delicious. I have my blender ready. I think you might need to ask Mummy and Daddy to help you with your blender as well, boys and girls. Okay, it's going to be noisy. Perhaps I won't blend it all the way if it's too noisy for you. So block your ears if you don't like the loud noise, okay? Ready? Wow, look how good that's looking already. Is a big serving. We can actually serve 2 people with this amount of smoothie. So I'm going to get my smoothie jar out of here, open the lid and pour my smoothie into my smoothie jar. Wow, looks like liquid sunshine. My happy smoothie. Oh, it's a bit more than half, isn't it? But I don't need the whole smoothie. So I'm so glad you joined me, and I can't wait to see your beautiful smoothies. Bye for now, boys and girls. See you next time.